Okay, today we'll be looking at the Napa Gold oil filter, number 100255. And you can get this at Napa Auto Parts for $10.49. So let's get started.
This is up for you gotta glue the silicone, get nice and tight, get your inner here, filtration right here.
Okay, let's open her up, see what she looks like. Let's look at the date code 080221. This is a sticker. Man and Hummel. Made in Mexico. Let's see, we got 8 inlet holes. Looks like a silicone and drain back valve. See a bypass valve down below. Metal core with louvers. And how about the threads? Threads look good. They look like about 4 or 5 there. Nitro rubber gasket, which is on here pretty good. Good size, good thickness. And it sticks out a little way, so it should make a good seal. Nice long filter. Like I say, let's open this baby up, see what's inside. Yep, coil spring. Let's get our weight. 291 grams in the base plate. 110 grams. It's got a lot of nice threads here. Nice amount of inlet holes, and they're fairly large. And the gasket we saw earlier sticks out nicely there. Stays on here pretty good too. Yeah, that's all good. Nice base plate. And silicone and drain back valve. Covers up these holes nicely. It feels pretty snug on there too. No movement side to side. And we also have one of these little extenders. And I don't know why they got this on here. I'm going to show you something in a minute, but let's look at the filter media. Let's weigh the filter media. 95 grams. Okay, you got metal end caps. Fairly clean. Little specks of glue, but that's not bad. I counted 54 pleats, metal crib seam, and this is a it's an enhanced cellulose filter media with a micron rating of 99% at 23 microns. Got your bypass valve down here. Yeah, this all looks nice. Oh, yeah. Okay, and we'll look at coil spring. Good size spring. 8 grams. And the can weighs 66 grams. Let's get a measurement on the can. 0.36 millimeters, a little bit thinner than most. Yeah. And let's get the filter media too. She's 2.87 inches wide. And what I was going to show you on this is, put this together. That's a lot of space that you're wasting, I believe. I mean, you're just cutting that much filter media out because of that extended thing there. That should be You need some room for the oil to come through, but that just seems like quite a bit. Especially since you got the coil spring too on there. I mean, that's a lot of space being being wasted. So let's cut this baby open, stretch her out, and see how long she is. Okay, here she is all stretched out. And she's 60 3/4 inches long. Okay, here she is at the seam. And I cut some little samples here to take a measurement. Let's see what we get. 0.75 millimeters. Let's look at it close up. Okay, filter meter seems pretty good. The seam held up. Usually they come apart when I cut them, you know, cutting them here and there, but yeah, it all held up. The filter meter is nice. It's got a lot of, let's see, it's got something like 174 square inches. It's pretty good. Let's look at the rest of the filter. So we get your metal core here, louvers, silicone drain back valve. Fits nicely with this base plate. Base plate's nice. Got a lot of threads on it. And this they could have made shorter. You know, usually they're just a little, they extend from here usually just a little bit, but this is quite a bit of an extension. I don't know why so large. Coil spring and the can. The can looks good. It's all good. What do you guys think about this filter? I think I'll wrap this video up. Don't forget, Oil Filter Friday. I have a new automotive oil filter every Friday on this YouTube channel. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and take care. The filter media weighs 25 grams.